Welcome to Easy Breezy, your ultimate guide to the cosmos. Today, we're embarking on a journey to the stars, unraveling the mysteries of space travel. So strap in, and let's blast off into the unknown together. Before we lift off, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell to journey with us through more cosmic adventures. Defining space travel. So, what is space travel? Simply put, it's like a long-distance road trip, but instead of crossing cities or states, we're crossing the invisible boundary of Earth's atmosphere known as the Kármán line and venturing into the vast expanse of outer space. It's like driving your car to a place where roads don't exist. The history of space travel. Space travel has a history marked by extraordinary milestones. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Neil Armstrong. Rockets are vehicles to the stars. Ever wondered how we make these amazing journeys? We use rockets. Imagine rockets as massive fire extinguishers. When you use a fire extinguisher, it pushes you back a little, right? This is the simple idea behind how rockets work. They throw fuel out one end, which pushes them in the opposite direction, helping them overcome Earth's gravity and zoom into space. Rockets are like superpowered fire extinguishers propelling us to the stars. A look at astronaut life. Being an astronaut isn't just about the thrill of rocket rides. Imagine eating food from a tube, exercising 2 hours a day just to keep your muscles active, and sleeping strapped to a wall. That's everyday life for astronauts in space. Life in space is like camping in the most exotic and weightless campsite ever. The future of space travel. The future of space travel is more exciting than ever. In a few years, we might see more people stepping on the moon, setting foot on Mars, or maybe even taking a holiday trip around Earth in a spaceship. Yes, you heard that right. Commercial space travel could make astronauts out of all of us. I don't think the human race will survive the next 1,000 years unless we spread into space. Stephen Hawking. Conclusion. Today, we've journeyed through the principles and mysteries of space travel, witnessed life as an astronaut, and peeked into the exciting future of voyaging among the stars. And this is just the start. There's a whole universe out there waiting for us to explore. So what fascinated you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed our journey, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to join us on future cosmic adventures. Keep looking up, stargazers. Remember, the stars are the limit, only if we let them be. Thanks for joining us today. Until our next journey, this is Easy Breezy, signing off.